How to fix hacked account on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix hacked account on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok and go to your profile. Go to your profile. Once you are on your profile, all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now the first thing, you should change your password and go to security and login and choose two steps verification to your account. Another thing, scroll down and click on report a problem. Wait for a second and now scroll down and you're gonna find account and profile. Click on it, and now all you need to do is click on manage account and you're gonna find hacked account. Click on it, and here they're gonna give you some advices like tap on those three lines, go to security and privacy, manage accounts, and select one of the following methods to protect your account, like I said before. And you have to change your password if you want, change your phone number and something like this. And if this doesn't work, click on no and click on need more help. And here you can write your feedback, what is happening on your account. You find a messages that is not yours and take a screenshot or video shot of what is happening and click on report. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.